So this is the 343VIK, 343VIK. Show price here, $56,995. You got a nice outdoor kitchen with a TV, mini fridge, not micro, but mini, couple drawers, and a little griddle out there, okay? Frameless windows, but let's go in. And again, I know this isn't gonna be the layout because the one you're looking for is a rear kitchen, but at least you can get an idea of the quality. And I can tell you, upon first impressions walking in, they're really nice.
Yeah, they really are.
We like what they do. We've seen some of these before. In fact, I think we streamed a few of these the other day. We just didn't see your model. So we're just gonna look at this one and then do some others, okay? Rear living, sofa that folds out to be a bed. You've got theater chairs here. They are all half and half, meaning recline is manual, but you do have some electric features, okay? Across from here, you've got your entertainment. I like that the TV's kind of low, Lisa. You know, when you sit, it's more eye level.
Yeah.
And so I kind of like that. Soundbar, fireplace, which is running. Ooh, the massage is on.
Ooh.
Oh, that's so good. We are so tired, y'all. It's not a complaint, just the reality,
if you
okay?
can't tell from how I'm slumping over in the reflection of the TV there.
Yeah. Huge cabinet up top, right?
Yeah.
Over here, you've got a dinette. I call this the 50-50. You get two separate benches and then 2 chairs. And these benches can come out and they can be ottomans, or you can take the little pad off here and maybe, you know, do a card game or something over there in the living room. Anyway,
yeah.
Then you got your kitchen, solid surface countertops, full basin sink, residential faucet. You can spray each other in the house if you want to. I don't know, whatever.
There's only one of those, so only one gets sprayed at a time.
Yep, you got to take turns. Try to wrestle that out of my hands. That's a good spot for your trash can. Pull out drawers. You do have your refrigerator, which has got the paneling on it, which is nice. Which matches the rest of the cabinets back here. Adjustable shelves, which are all solid, which are great. 3-burner stove. You got your oven and a microwave above. And then on this side, you got yourself your little coffee bar. Actually, it's a big coffee bar. I put the coffee in. You can put all the electrical appliances over there, okay? A couple of cabinets down beneath. Of course, we have cabinetry above as well, right? And you got your Venture logo there that's put in there as well above the door. Love that, right?
I love it too.
Well branded.
Yes.
Then you got the bathroom. And again, I know this isn't the model you're looking for, Neil. We apologize, but this is definitely tall and fluffy approved, guys. Okay, at my height of 6'4". Above, you got some cabinetry up there. That's where you're going to have to put your linen, your towels and things, okay? You do have some big storage down there, okay? Medicine cabinet up top. That was a nice stainless sink. I can see my entire self. I can't get in the shower, but I can tell you, I got my backpack on because we're going to be moving somewhere else. 30 by 36, definitely plenty high for everybody. You'd be at least 6'7" to 6'8" and standing there. So definitely a good shower, right? So let's move on. We're going to cross the road and go look at some...
Did you want to look at the bedroom?
Oh, yeah, the bedroom. See, we're tired. Thank you, Lisa. Oh, love the bedrooms, right? They've got the benches up in the front.
Oh, yeah.
I love that. It's just very cozy and warm. You know, if you like to read a book, that's a great place to cuddle up and read a book. There's some cubbies up there, power, USB, cabinetry wrapped all the way around. So you can hang your clothes up in there, same on the other side. And then you got really deep storage up in top.
Yeah.
Okay. And they got the fireplace. Oh, I thought the fireplace. It just seems really warm up in here, which is nice. So there's a fireplace right there. And
you mean cabinet?
well, there's a fireplace right there, cabinet next to each side, some drawers. Behind here is the bed. It looks to be like an RV king. It does lift up. So there's some storage underneath. In fact, they've put a lot of stuff away already. Remember, this closes down in a couple hours. I mean, we are closing this place up. And all the stuff has to be out of here because the Florida State Fair starts in like 10 days or something like that. So that's where you're going to have to put your CPAP. That's the only place to put it, okay? And then that, which she's open up. I wonder, is that a washer dryer?
I don't think
it's prepped.
It is prepped. I didn't think it was deep enough, but yeah.
So you can put a washer dryer combo in there, guys.
Yeah, have to be small one, but it is prepped for washer and dryer.
Nice.
Yeah.